Okay, welcome back to my channel once again. Welcome, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, based on your time zone. Okay, today I'll be teaching you how you can fund your account. We are still at Hawkit.ng. Okay, we are still at Hawkit.ng where we can, make some cool cash. So all I do here is that I show you how you can make money. Okay, simple and straight. So let's go to, okay, if you want to fund your account, there Hawkit.ng will send you a message after registration and tell you welcome to Hawkit.ng, and before you can start earning, you need to fund your account. Okay, you need to fund with 1,000 naira. So let me teach you how to fund it. You click to that fund your account and it will get you here. Okay, so the amount you want to fund is 1,000 naira. Click 1,000 naira. Okay, we click 1,000 naira and proceed. All right, here we are, and 15 naira charges will be deduct from your ATM. Okay, it will deduct. Okay, if you want to pay with your card number, all you need to make use of the first one. Okay, if you ask me, I will tell you to use the first one because the first one is very easy and fast. Okay, the first one is very easy and fast. So if you ask me, I will tell you to use your ATM card. Okay, don't worry, your account is well secured with Flutterwave. Okay, it's secured with Flutterwave, so don't worry. If you know what Flutterwave is all about, you know that you have no problem with this website because this website is well prepared. Okay, so if you want to use your card number, you can use your card number. If you want to use your USSD, you can do that. If you want to use Visa QR, you can make use of it. If you want to pay with barter, you can do that, and so on. As you can see, there's a lot of options to go with. Okay, if you don't want to use your ATM card, you can use any option here. They are all still the same. So after that, you can do that. Okay, you can fund it. All right, let me come back. Let me fill up my details. Okay, I'll come back and show you the next step. All right, thank you. I'm back. Okay, I have successfully funded my account. Let me go to the email to see my receipt. Let me go to my email. To my email. Okay, I think this should be the shopping receipt. Okay, as you can see, shopping wallet credited transaction successful. Okay, hello Nzekwo Yekarafael. Your shopping wallet credit transaction of NGN. As you can see, this is my receipt. Let me go back and show you how things works. Okay, I just want to show you everything you need to know concerning this website. Okay, from scratch. Okay, we'll come to a place where we earn thousands of naira every day. All right, okay, after that, they asked me to update my phone number. Okay, let me update my phone number. Wait a second. Okay, after updating my phone number, okay, as you can see, download the Hawkit mobile app for you to see that this website is doing good. Okay, they even have app. Okay, they even have app, so you can download the app as in it will make the work easy for you. Okay, let me show you how you can download the app. Just go to download the app. Okay, once you come to Google, as you can see, I have downloaded the app. Okay, the only thing you need to do is just to install the app. Okay, so that's the only thing you need to do. Okay, let me open it. Like I said, that you do everything with your phone. Very simple and easy. All right, 8 seconds. Wow, we are here in the app. Okay, as you can see, I have, this is my balance. Okay, as you can see, you have some new tasks that are still pending. Please perform the task before it expires so you can earn. Okay, let me see the task. Okay, as you can see here, this is the thing that a lot of people have been doing. You can sell your shoes, your slippers, anything. Okay, you can sell anything here. That's another advantage. You can make like 20, 30, 40, 50,000 every day doing all those things, selling your stuff. Okay, if you have anything that you want to sell, this is the best place. Okay, so you can sell your stuff here. Very easy and simple. Very easy and simple. All right, let me see the task. Let me show you how you can do the task. This is, remember that this is the app. Okay, the mobile app. Okay, post on WhatsApp status, earn 20 naira per status post. Okay, if I post something on my status now, I can earn 20 naira. Okay, very simple. Just go there and just do the minor work. Okay, this person said that. Okay, let's just go to like Facebook page. Okay, let me go there. Okay, always follow the instruction. Always follow the instruction. Please follow the instruction below to do your task. Open the Facebook page link above and above on your Facebook app or browser. Click on the like button on the page to like the page. You must not unlike the page at any point in time. Okay, screenshot the page that shows you're liking the page and upload it using the upload below. Okay, upload button below. Okay, this is okay. Let me show you how you can do it. This is the link. Okay, follow it. Follow it, follow it, follow it. Okay, very simple and easy. Okay, this is it. All you need to do is just like it and then screenshot it. Very simple and easy. Screenshot it. Okay, might have been screenshot. Then you go back. Okay, go back. Come to the place again. Okay, this is it. Then you upload it. Let me upload it. Okay, this is it. The name that I used to upload this is referral. Okay. Don't want to perform this task, you can cancel it if you don't want to perform it. Okay, then let me just upload it. Very simple and easy. Okay, very simple and easy. Okay, message, everything is just in one place. That's why I like this website. Okay, hello, thank you for signing up. Okay, this is the message they sent now. All right, thank you too. Okay, so there's a lot of things that you can do here. Okay, we have done one is just signing up. Okay, that's it. You can come here to buy airtime. Okay, like I said before, this is another good opportunity to make thousands of naira online. Okay, later I'll be dropping it one after the other, back to back, on how you can make a lot of money with all these strategies. Okay, I'll be posting this, everything you need to know about this website. You will see when you start making thousands of naira every day. Okay, that's to tell you that you can make a living online. Okay, everything is driving to online. Everything now is online stuff. There'll come a time that once you want to even go to toilet, you will go online. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. Okay, and also go to the description below to, if you haven't registered to this wonderful website. Okay, just go straight to the link you to start. Don't say that I will do it tomorrow, or you just neglect this, because at times what makes us to keep staying where we are is because we never, try to force ourselves to do things that will benefit us. Okay, you can go to Facebook to spend like hours watching other people's videos, wasting your MB. Okay, this is just another way to, instead of wasting your MB there, it's better to waste the MB here and make money. Okay, it's better to waste that MB here and make money. So you can buy airtime here. Once you click buy, as you can see, the one of 1,200 naira, you buy it 500 naira. That's MTN data 2 gig. Okay, 2 gig is 1,200, but here you buy it 500, and you can go back and sell it at 1,200 naira, and 700 naira will be your gain. So I don't see the reason why you are not, registering to this website. I don't see any reason. Please rush now and register. In fact, I want to force you to do that. Okay, so you can, buy any type of airtime. You can buy Glow airtime. You can buy MTN, 9mobile, and Etisalat. Sorry, Etisalat is 9mobile. You can buy Airtel. Okay, so I don't see any reason for you not to, join this. Okay, you need to, follow it. Let's just, okay, here you can switch to, if you want to earn daily, if you want to join, if you want to do this one. All right, buy referral, follower. Okay, that's the thing. You can come here if you have work to do. If you have a client that wants you to, perform some task for them, you can chat them offline and come online here and buy people that will do it for you. Okay, then you keep making money offline and online. That's what I'm here to teach you. Okay, I want you to make money offline and online. Okay, in my next video, I'll be showing you how to combine all those things and make thousands of naira every day. Okay, I'll show you practical way. What I do is that I will show you the practical way on how you can do all those things. Okay, marketplace. This is where you can, shop. Okay, you can sell, start selling. Part of it is that you can target some areas. Okay, if you want it to be in Enugu, you can do it. If you want it to be in Lagos, you can do it. If you want it to be any part of this country, okay, any part of this country, you can set the location. Okay, and start making money. So I don't see the reason why you haven't, or you don't want to register to this website. That's the reason I want you to do that, because once I start dropping videos on how we are making thousands of naira here, you'll be amazed, because what we will be doing here is back to back. Okay, here, if you want to withdraw, if you want to fund your wallet, okay, if you want to edit your profile, upload password, and update your email address, you can do all those things here. Update bank details. Okay, here you can update your bank details so that they can be wiring your money directly. See, I love this website. Okay, so please, if you love what I'm doing here, please don't hesitate to give me a thumb up, and also make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that once I keep dropping the new videos, okay, you'll be the first person to watch. All right, thank you for your time. Please make sure you join my next video, because a lot of things you need to know. Okay, please, if you have any question, please ask. I answer every question, any question at all. Okay, any question at all, please make sure you ask me a question, because I would love to answer any type of question. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your patience.